Obviously, a lot of people don't like you when you work the
No, of
strike,
course, yeah.
but somebody's going to do it, right? And I just wanted to see what it was like. And I'm going to tell you, if you're not part of the team that comes in to work the strike, then it's pretty hard, because they have a team that comes in, and basically what they do is they work and then they leave, right?
Hmm.
So, but if you're like the staff person that works, because I was per diem, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to utilize this time to make double time. And I mean, these like management was going to let me work like 18 hours,
Yeah.
20 hours, you know, just to
Whatever you
cover
wanted.
charge. Yeah. Just until the strike was done. So I was able to make a crap load of money. And basically, that's basically what I wanted to do. But the repercussions from coming back to that, I mean, they always say, hey, there's going to be, you know, no retaliation. And man, there's hella retaliation, you
Yep.
know. And if somebody's going to make 50,000 for a pay period, then that's going to be me rather than somebody else.